Hi guys, wish for the day and welcome to OnPrintShop. So now today we will going to see that how the PDF block templates are created using manage block properties and using TTT plugin. TTT plugin I'm talking in case of blocks in Acrobat. So let's see that how we will going to create it. But before that, let me tell you the basic use of PDF block template. See, mainly it is used for corporates because the one thing is in note that we can't design or create anything in PDF blocks, but it is used for variable data because see corporate need to add it or need to have the variable data as they have employees, so according to that they need to have that. For this reason the PDF block template mainly used. So firstly we will going to start from creating blocks. This is the Adobe Acrobat 8 and above version, and here I will going to open that PDF block template which I have chosen to create it. This is basically a original one, so I'll take that. Okay, and we will going to create blocks using TTT plugin. See, here is an option of plugins. Okay, and here there is a TTT plugin. There are many options here, but how to create a block is we will going to first activate this for output coordinates in TETML. See, it is already activated, as you can see the right sign over it. First I'll deactivate and I'll show you. Here it is. So I'll going to activate it like this, and I will going to go to the TTT configuration. From this we can create the TTT, we can select the TTT content. See, in this page you can see the configurations. Okay, and in document style there should be generic, and in page mode there should be Word Plus. Here are many options, so from this you need to select Word Plus. After that click OK, and here you can select the TTT plugin box. See, the feature or the benefit of this TTT plugin is that using that the block position or the block place will not going to change, because in many cases what we'll see is if we don't use this TT plugin, so block size and the place may vary it, or we can say may change. So for that only, if we want to fix it, then yes, you can surely use TT plugin. Okay, so as I have selected this name block, yeah, see, I have selected this name block, and you need to create click right, and here you will see TET find TET copy option. So here we will going to select TET copy, and we're going to paste in any Word document, or you can uh, and you can paste in note also, no issues. So here this is the positions or the coordinates, we can say, of that particular paragraph or that particular word which we have selected. So here this paragraph coordinates we need to copy and paste here, so that you can now create a block. Here there are three options which we need to activate. First is detect. See, through this basically we are allowing system to detect the font and color of that particular block or that particular text content that we will going to select. Okay, and this click object define block is section is that whenever it will going to click on that block, it will define all the properties of that particular block, and after that we will going to use PDF block tool so that we can select the block like this. See, I have created a block. Now I need to manage the properties. as it is a name, I'll going to name it as name. Okay, and there are so many properties you can see over here. Okay, as I have already selected expand all, so you can see all the properties in expand manner. Okay, and basically it will look like that. Okay, and if you need to see each and every property, then you can select here expand all. Okay, so now in that default text I need to add here in this area. Okay, suppose I add here John Smith as it is his name. After that RN MSN. Now created. Here you can see the block, but you can see that as I have not entered any kind of coordinates in that, this block is as like I have created. But now you need to place this block in his original position, in required position and in fixed position. So I will going to enter those coordinates in here rectangle area. See, here you can see our paste coordinates. Okay, so you just need to enter it by giving a single space. Now apply. So you can see that block comes in his fixed position. So now you can surely relocate it like this. That I mean, if you want that particular text in that box area, right, and it should not change or place his place anywhere, so you can manage this by your own like this. You can choose upward or downward, right? So this is basically block we have created, and I have, and this is back side. Here also you can create a block for sure using TTT plugin like this. If you copy this and paste it like we have done in this block, so it will show, and whenever you click over here it will show the blocks created. I have already prepared one file of PDF block template that I will show you like this. See, I have already prepared all the blocks. That is the reason it is whole blank, because logo and everything is editable over here. But if I click here, then you can see that all PDF blocks I have created in this PDF. Okay, so now I will going to add this PDF block template and manage the all manage block properties from front side. So we will go to the front side. So see, this is our front side, as you know. So we will going to add PDF block template here. Say I have created this for retailers. Then I'm going to choose the product. As it is a business card, I will select a standard business card. Here I will select the category as I have selected basic. So now this is our new option. Okay, the name is design language. Basically we have now given an option of languages that you can, I mean, you can provide to your clients according to their requirements. I'm going to select English over here and I'm going to name it. Okay, so here I will going to select the PDF block template. See, here you can see three keys. One is centralized personalization, another is lock text property, And third one is personalization profile. See, centralized personalization is basically used. If you read this, then you will get to know that, I mean, if you want that first page content should be same in next page also. I mean, first page content we want to show in second page also. Then you need to create blocks with the same block name. If there are first name, suppose name block is in first page and same name block is in second page also, then block name should be same like name, so that it will fetch the first page name in second page. Okay. After that, the personalization profile. See, as I have told you in a start, that basically this PDF block template is mainly used for corporates. So using this personalization profiles, it will going to fetch the all the basic identities like first name, phone, last name, street, postcard. You can see over here. See, the block name should be like email, phone, first name, last name, street, postcard, state, country, company name, etc. Right? These are the basic block name that that PDF block file should have contained, so that it will going to fetch all the information of that particular user. If he will going to log in corporate, then it will ultimately fetch all the basic details of that particular user. Okay. So now I will going to click on this. Okay. Save and continue. From here I will going to choose my file. Okay. Here there is an option of logo and sample. Sample it as the logo in back page. So I will going to select it. Save and back. Here it is created. Okay. So now if we go in action, you can see there are options over here. First is edit info, from where if you want to change the additional info, you can do this. After that, additional preview images, then edit design, from where if you changes the block letter and if you want to re-edit that design, then you can do that. After that, manage blocks properties. From here we will going to manage each and every property. Okay. After that, there are manage template properties and preview. See, I have not managed any kind of properties till yet, so let me show you that how it will going to be in front side. See, this is preview. Okay, now in this manner it is showing over here. If I change the name, see, it is showing like this. But now what I want is that though I am entering this text in small, it should be in camel case, right? So these kind of properties I'm going to manage from manage blocks. Here again I want that, suppose that particular user don't want to enter this phone name or this phone number. So this fax and cell should go upward automatically. Okay, so this property also I'm going to manage from manage blocks. Okay, after that I want that, I mean, yes, that's website, whatever I enter should be in small letters only. Suppose now I have entered this. You can see it is very random, but if I update it, it is come like what I have entered in this. But I don't want that. If I want that whatever that user will going to enter, it should be in small letters. That also we will going to manage from manage properties. So now I will going to tell you that how you can manage this. Here we need to go here in manage blocks. But before that, I would like to tell you that below this preview there is another option of create new version. So this is our 5.4 versions new feature that create new version. By this we can assign the same template for any product we want. You can select the products, you can change anything, but the template would be same. Okay, that's the reason at us create new version. Okay, now again we will go to the manage block properties as we want to manage all the blocks on front side. See, here you can see the group blocks, dependency rule. After that, PDF block template help. See, whenever if you want that, I mean, no, you are not getting how this block should be managed, then definitely you can go to the PDF block template help and you can read all this information, all the guidelines, and you can create or you can manage these blocks. Okay, after that there are the group blocks. The basic benefit of this group block is whenever you want to make a group, suppose you want to make a group of name, number and email ID, right? This is basically a personal information we can say. So you can make a group of that. After that, address, website, okay, designation. If you want that, I mean, no, it should be in another group, then you can manage in that. Like this, it will show. If you add it, then from this, you can add it. If I enter any name, that group 1 or personal info, you can tick from here that what you want in personal info, like name, phone number, email ID, after that designation. So by this, you can create group block. Okay. After that, dependency rule. The basic benefit of this dependency rule or what it is used for is, suppose if you want to allow or to create one property, like if you want that if one block is empty and another block should be depend on that, then in this case you can use this dependency rule. There is a condition like if then. See, here you can name it, that you can name the dependency rule. After that you can select, suppose if I want that if the fax is empty, then hide cell number also. And if I save it, then it will shows like if fax block will empty, then it will going to hide cell number. Okay. So now we will going to manage these all blocks. Firstly, what we're going to do is we will going to number it so that it will be easy for us to manage blocks one by one. Name as first. After that, designation. After that, street, address. After that, it is phone number. After that, fax. Then cell. Then you can see email ID and website. You need to save this all. And now you can see here that all comes in its order. Okay. here we will going to create virtual block. Now what is virtual block, how it is created, and what is the use of this virtual block, I'll going to tell you. See, suppose if I want that, I want to allow the user to enter the separate information in that particular line. Like I'm going to create his first name, like this I'll going to create it, and last name. And whenever we will going to save it, see, under one block which name is name, it will create two blocks. One is first name, second is last name. What is use of it is basically it will not allow any kind of variable data to place or to change its place. Okay, it will be in that particular line only, and whatever uh, whatever information you will going to add in that, it will adjust in that line only. Okay, and as I want to order it, so I can place it as a 0. So now I want to arrange all the properties of manage block. So here I will going to go in this manage properties. Okay, here you can see the listing. Once you will going to add this manage properties, here you can see all the listing. Now I have not entered anything, so it is no record showing. So for the adding properties, you need to go in block properties, add or edit. Here you can see text formatting, leader, after that bullet format, after that input options, validation, link blocks, and block specific personalization. So what I want in that particular block is that suppose if that user entering any random text where it is in all uppercase, all lowercase, or in camel case, I want to allow user just to enter data in camel case only. So what I'll going to do is I'll go in text formatting. Here I'll select the style. I want that all letters should be in camel case. So here I'll going to select the camel case. And there is an option of pattern. I will going to show the use of this pattern also, but in this particular block we don't going to use that. Then save and back. Here you can see the listing. We have created one property, so you can see that. Here in action there is an option of edit and delete. If you want to delete it and you want to set any another property, you can do that. If you want to edit it, you can also go for that. The same we will going to do in last name also. Like this. Okay, we have saved this. In same designation also I want that I don't want to allow user to enter any random format. I want that all letters should be in camel case only. After that, in straight also, as it is a business card, these kind of properties are needed, because you know that in business card the particular corporate or these people having a particular fixed format, so they don't want to allow user to change it. Okay, so now in this phone I'll show you that how we will going to use that pattern option that we have seen in text formatting. First I'm going to copy it because I want this pattern, but I want to fix that letter phone, and I want to allow that particular user to just enter number. See, I'll go to the text formatting. After that, I'll copy here. Okay, so I want to fix phone, and uh, don't let the user change this particular uh, phone word. Okay, so here you can see the in help also that for phone, for the particular number or for the particular digit you need to enter hash. Okay, so for this number I'll going to enter hash. Okay, after that style, as it is phone number, you can choose anything what you want. If you want to show that particular phone word in capital, then you can select uppercase, and according to your convenience. I'm selecting here camel case. It is according to my business card requirement. You can see here it is in listing. After that, for fax, we will going to do the same thing here also, that we will going to go in text formatting. After that, we just allow user to change these digits. In sale, at as it is a sale number, so it is having a fixed format that we usually see in any kind of cell number. So according to that, we will going to add here like this. Okay, you can see here in listing that what we have done is. Okay, after that in email ID also, I want that this email text should be fixed, and I will going to allow user to change this email ID only. Okay, so I will again go in manage properties. We'll select same text formatting. So now in this case, as these are not digits, right, these are the letters that particular user will going to enter in email ID. So here in help you can see that whenever we need to enter the letters, we will going to use this, like if we want that email ID should be fixed and that particular user should change only the data of that should be entered in this curly brace like this. So every time if you want to fix any particular data and want user to vary or to allow him the change particular character, so by this way you can do this. And if you want that, I mean all should be in camel case, you can select accordingly. Add it as email ID, I'll keep it in lowercase. Okay, so now same with the website also. See, in website I don't need to keep anything fixed, so I'll just allow user to keep every character in lowercase. So I'll just change style over here. I'm not going to enter any kind of pattern in it. Yeah. So by this way we have entered all the properties. We need to save it. And from here you can see the preview. See. Okay. Now I'll going to add any kind of random text in it, like general manager. I have entered all the data in small case, but there in manage blocks I have set the property that text should be in camel case. So let's see that how it will going to be in C. As I have added property over there, this all letters are come, or all the text are come in camel case. Okay, so now I want to set a property like if particular user will not enter the phone number and fact should be go upside. See here you can see like this that as we have entered a particular pattern in phone, so according to that pattern it is coming like this, that it is capturing three letters after a dash, after that three letters again and then dash. Okay, so we need to enter this area in text studio in manage blocks. Like we have already entered one particular pattern and we just want that user should change only the number, then you need to delete all this format that we want to stay fixed or we want to keep fixed. So by this your user will only going to enter just number and whole data will be fixed. In sale also, and in email ID also, as we have already fixed this word email in this. We're going to save and let's see the outcome of these changes. See, it is now coming perfectly. Suppose I enter my name over here. Like this, and I will enter here number like this. So see the changes in it. Here also I'll added the mail ID. Underscore or dot, whatever it is. Let's see. You can see that whatever changes or the manage blocks properties we have set over there, you will get an outcome in front that all the fixed variable data are added as it is, and here I have only changed the numbers. After that, mail ID and other data will be fixed. Okay, after that I want that if the user do not enter this phone number, then fax should go in the place of phone and cell should go in the place of fax. So how we will going to manage it? As we need to change the place of fax and cell, we will going to go and manage properties of fax. So here in fax, we will go to the alignment rules. So what it is used for? As I have told you that I want that sale block should go in fax position and fax block should go in phone position. So I'll select reference block as phone. That I mean whenever user do not enter phone number, the fax block should going to take a place of phone. I will select here vertical. There are two options. One is horizontal and another is vertical. In our case, I'll choose vertical. Okay. And same I'll do with sale also. I'll choose alignment rule. After that, fax. After that, I'll choose vertical. See, you can recheck over here, right? Now save this. And now I'm going to refresh it. So you can see that all properties are set. Like if I'm not entering phone number over here, fax and cell are taking place of those respective blocks over here. Now I'm going to enter whole data. Like first name I'll enter here. Like this. And if I want that second name first letter also I want to mention over here, then I can do that. After that, I'll going to put my designation over here. Here I put my address. Nine. I'll put my number, but I don't want to put number. I just want to enter fax number. And I want to enter cell number. Okay. This. So it will come like this, that I have not entered phone number over here, or you can change another changes accordingly. Now if I want that user should change particular designation according to what I have allowed. So here we'll go in designation, manage properties, and in block properties there is an option of input links or input options. So in this we'll select drop down, or radio button also you can select. In check box there will be the check option, and in date picker it will allow user to select a date. So I will enter some designation over here. For example, after that senior manager or engineer. Okay, I'll save it. So in this block you can see when you scroll down we can select any designation from here, or we will going to allow user to select according to his designation. So it will going to change over here. I have not added first name and last name, that's the reason it is showing first name and last name. After that, if you want to title, I mean if you want to manage this, that there should be address, first name, last name, phone, or we can say the directions in short. So we can edit by giving titles, like this is a designation. After this is a street. This is address. This is phone number. This is fax number. And this is cell number. This is email ID. This is website. So these all titles will allow you to provide directions to user. I'm refreshing it, and now you can see here there will be directions. That user will going to add first name, last name. Here are the designation. Here you can see the title designation over here, right? After that, all the titles you can see here. So by this way you can set it. So I will going to tell you the another properties and what are the use of those properties. In short, as we have done with this business card, we have set all the properties, and now you can set these properties according to your requirement, according to your convenience. So here there is alignment rule that we have already seen. Text formatting also we have seen. In ladder. See, in ladder this property is basically used where we need to create ladder. Okay, suppose in menu cards we can use this property. We can use this like this. See, if in menu card you can see that there will be one word or one menu is written, and after that in front of that the pricing is written. After that there is another menu. In third number also there will be in menu. So in ladder format it will going to show, right? After that, there will be bullet format. In bullet format also there will be the set of bullets. According to that you can allow users to edit text flow or text lines. Okay. After that there are input options, as we have already seen that you can allow user to choose according to the drop down or radio button or checkbox or date picker. In this date picker, user can select a particular date. And this validation, yes, this is also one of important property, that if we want to restrict user that particular information he should enter, then you can select is like this is a last name block. Okay, so we want that, yes, it is required for user to enter last name, then this is yes. In first name also will do the same. So in first name and last name we have applied this validation property. I'll refresh this page and see, if I don't enter this first name and last name, then it will not allow user to proceed further. It will ask for required information. So this is basically a validation. Yeah. After that there are link blocks. If you want to link one block with another, that the properties of particular block should be linked with another block, then you can use it. And after that there are the blocks specific personalization. Suppose if you want that that particular block should have a specific font or color, then by this property you can change it or you can set it. So by this way you can create the PDF block template using TTT plugin and by using the manage blocks properties. So thank you so much guys for your time, and if you want any kind of assistance then you can surely contact us on our number, or you can come on live chat. Thank you so much. Have a great time ahead.